Hi, I'm Jay from SEK Sherban. Today we're going to talk about Snap Edge Paver Restraints. We've got a residential hardscape project that's well underway. Our aggregate base and bedding material have been installed and compacted. Now that the pavers are in place, we're ready to lock it in with Snap Edge. Let's talk about what makes Snap Edge the best paver restraint in the industry. It all starts with the injection molding of 100% recycled HDPE. This process gives Snap Edge some unique properties. Snap Edge comes with everything you need to be successful on your project. We have built-in connectors that allow you to drive a spike through and connect two pieces of Snap Edge securely in place. Snap Edge also has reinforced nail bosses that add stability and strength. Snap Edge is rugged and durable, but it can be flexible when I need it to be. I can just cut the edge of Snap Edge and I can make a shape out of it. Before we get started, this would be a good time to review the ICPI recommendation for best practices for hardscape installation. Be sure to extend the aggregate base 6 inches past the perimeter of the paving area, or the measurement of the base depth, whichever is greater. The first step in installing Snap Edge is to remove the bedding material. We remove the bedding material off the top of the base material so that we can put Snap Edge directly on top of the base. To do that, we'll take a steel trowel and we'll remove that bedding material from the base material. An alternative method to steel troweling would be to use a square shovel, simply dragging that bedding material off the top of the base. Now that we've removed the bedding material from the base, we're ready to put Snap Edge in place. Simply place the Snap Edge against the paving units, and then I'll drive a spike in through a reinforced nail boss. We manufacture Snap Edge with reinforced nail bosses every 4 inches to give you lots of flexibility. On a residential application like this job, we're going to leave 2 open nail bosses, or approximately every 12 inches. On a commercial application, you might want to decrease the number of holes in between, and even in some cases go as many as every hole. When your design calls for a curve or a corner, it's very easy to cut the back of Snap Edge at an angle to make it easily conform. For curves, place a spike in each hole until the curve is complete. For corners, place a spike in the hole on each side of the corner. Let's talk about spikes. I'm using a 10-inch bright spike. This will actually corrode. We want it to corrode because when it corrodes, it helps to tie up a bunch of soil, which helps to hold the Snap Edge in place, especially in freeze-thaw environments. You could also use an 8-inch bright spike. As long as it corrodes, that's what we're looking for. The issue with a spiral spike is its diameter is slightly smaller than a bright spike, and you'll get some slop in the reinforced nail boss. That will present its problem because it won't let the edging hold tight against the paving unit. The one that you don't want to use is a galvanized spike. No matter what the length is, the fact that it's coated or galvanized won't allow this spike to be able to corrode, and we won't get that additional holding power of the soil. Now that Snap Edge is installed, we'll backfill the entire perimeter with topsoil and sod for the finishing touches on our beautiful hardscape project. Backfill can also be done with mulch or landscaping stone, as long as the edging is covered. Snap Edge's open base design allows for grass to grow up to the edge of the pavers, which creates a strong yet invisible edge. At SEK Sherban, we also offer paver restraints for special applications. Our low-profile product is recommended for thin paving stones 1 to 2 inches in height and natural stone. The low profile offers all the same features as Snap Edge with a shorter back wall. And Perm Edge, which is a spikeless paver restraint for permeable applications. It comes pre-assembled with a geogrid anchor permanently attached. For more information about Snap Edge and all our professional hardscaping products, visit us online at sek.us.com.